Nice little sky wheelie. Isn't that thing just cool looking? Oh, here we go again. Nice. Oh, you got a little slap to top it off. All right, give it up for Chris in the higher education. Mike Potter Sr. been driving for okay. Oh, he's just gonna do another wheelie, okay. Oh, he's teasing y'all. He said it's very top heavy. Where's he going? What's he gonna do? I'm not your mom, I can't tell you what to do, but you might want to get your cameras out. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Okay. Better not let me down. If you've never seen this before, it's really cool. If you've seen it before, it's even cooler. Oh! It's a little top heavy. He'll get that eventually. Hopefully this works out like it's supposed to. There we go. He can turn it around. FMX motocross or psycho guy for a while. Flags. Come on, I'll show you what we're doing. We did water them as much as we could, but it just keeps drying up. It doesn't look like it's going to be too dusty. The wind is not blowing at you guys, so I'm kind of happy about that. All right, come on. We got the old guy climbing up. Whoa! I guess he wasn't ready. Overkill Evolution going into the final. Evolution does have an advantage on it. Let's see who's coming around. Coming around, it looks like it's going to be Overkill Evolution. First place championship round. Give it up for Mikey Botters Jr. Alright, we want the guys in blue to win. Ohio drivers are really bad with the passing lane thing. Alright, we got 2 PAs followed by 2 New Yorks. I did mention that there's like no rules, right? You can like bump each other, bang each other. You can actually crash each other. Well, obviously you want to crash the other team, but... Way too wide. Good deal, PA. Shortest distances in the corners. Oh, come on, New York. There you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. He's back in the lead. Oh, second place. Cut in. Oh. Tight, tight, tight. Ah, ha, ha. Oh, sorry. Last lap. I didn't have the heart to tell them guys that one jump they're going over. I built for the monster trucks. Come on, yep, yep. Oh! Ah, he bumped him. Yay. Yay, Pennsylvania won. Woo, yay. Yay. Everybody, yay. We agreed on. Oh. Three. Oh, he's not paying attention. 3, 2, 1. All right, Robbins Racing. Crashing is fine. There is no rules. There we go. Come on. Put him to shame. I mean... Oh, he's gonna go on the inside, get him. Yep. Come on, New York, do the same. Come on. Left foot. There you go. Last lap, right, Corey? Last lap, come on, New York! Come on, New York! If you can't beat him, crash him! Go, 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 go! Can I squirt him with the fire extinguisher now? Alright. First up, Krista Hoy in the higher education. Coolest bus around. Uh-oh. Donut time! Everybody loves donuts. Give it up, Christian Hoy, higher education! Brilliant! The OG of monster trucks. He liked that boss. You going again? Nope. Trick me. I can't tell if he's signed up or not. Nope. Oh, you get a little picture, John? Daniel Dye! Super fun over the bus! Oh, and the fan stack. Uh-oh! All four tires still on? Yep. He's good. Come on, you can do it. Don't be scared. Yeah! What do you think? Is he doing all right out there or what? Yeah, he is. Here we go. There we go. He got her up for you. What do you think of that, ladies and gentlemen? Give it up. Does it? He does some crazy little things. That'll work. It's a good start. Ha ha ha! Wow. A quick recap.